A queen is royal, sophisticated, and holds herself with grace and class.
Excuse me.
Karanga mai ki a Maihi, rātou ko Ramon, ko Jay. He takatāpui e rata ana ki te ngahau, me te whakaratarata. He kiri whanaunga, I take a mai I tua whenua.
Before our sexuality, we're Māori and we come from Panguru.
I tupu mai a Maihi ki Panguru nei, nā reira tau, pai ana ia ki kora. Mō āna whanaunga rānei, kua tere poko noa tua Ramon rawa ko Jay, kua taha atu ngā reke roa mō ngā kamuputu. A ngā whakatekai ngāna.
I can see Panguru!
Te whakahono,
But you come from good stock, girl.
Don't I know it?
he ngahau,
Shall we party now?
he tuku raurau hoki ngā kaupapa. Ka ora tonu rātau I te korenga o te Facebook, Grindr, Flat White rānei. Kia hiwa ki ngā kuini o Panguru.
I'm excited.
Kua taha te whārau kilomita,
Oh my God, I need to pay.
ngā hauata.
Oh, very good.
Ngā itua. Ka taurawa ngā kuini.
I can see Panguru!
Ko te rā tuatahi tēnei mō ngā kuini ki Panguru.
Waipuna Marae has so much, holds so much special memories for me, and for us to be in Waipuna Marae and bonding and staying there for the week is really, really cool.
Ko Jay te mea ko oho I te haura o te kiwi I te atatu.
Good morning, Susie.
Did you sleep? I slept like a baby.
I couldn't really.
Why?
I was next to an engine.
I told you. I pre-warned you.
I couldn't hear anything. Okay, let's get up. Come on.
He tere kē te haere o Jay, kāre anō ia kia kihi I tāna whakāhua I te whakaata. Take tēnā he pirangi nōna ki te tūtaki atu ki ōna koeke e tata ana te noho ki te marae o Waipuna.
Good, good.
Good, good. Oh, man. This one.
Anna.
Kia ora, uncle. Hey, I made it home.
Good to see you.
Yo. Made it home.
Yes.
Oh, currency's on. Ah.
Yeah, mai.
Mai.
Huh?
Kei te pupu ake ngā mahara a Jay, unohia te whare nei e rātau ko wōna mātua mō ngā tau e rua, ia e tamariki ana.
So we're at our homestead in Kiwitangi Hao, and if you look behind me, my dad drew that, I don't know how long ago, but he told us, and you know, he's got his name there, Sam, and he drew that up. But this is where he used to hang out, and the creek below us is where he used to have swims and bath.
Ara, kāre anō kia hoki atu mo te kautau.
It's a long time.
Hey. Ko rō rawa, eh? Ko rō rawa. Hoki mai, ho?
No tata mai ma te manawa ai tōna kuia, nā ko nā Jay e pirangi ana ki te āwhina.
Makian.
Do you need anything done today?
Oh, we're just going to move the cows over the creek.
Oh,
We got all the boys together,
okay.
so they got to go that side, and the girls stay this side. No, so no boys jump over the fence, you know, jump over.
Peke tei o pamui.
Get the wrong breed.
Ko Uncle Henry te karaona o te whānau. Nā, ka takutaku kōrero mō Jay, ia e tamariki ana.
Ka ke te hoiho. Ka omo te hoiho. Ka taka te tamaiti nei.
Ka whakaatu atu hoki te wāhina.
Ai,
Te matua tuku pāpa, ko matangi.
tangi.
Ko tōna matua, ko tēnei ko hirimia. Hui anō ngā whakāhua.
Done heaps here in this house.
Yes.
Okay. So should we move the cows?
Ai,
We need to get that done.
ai.
Ai?
Hare tātai.
Ka pai?
Kua kore rawa te whānau e puta I te whare, kia mau rāno te mui a ngā te wake.
Hey, ria.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah that's all you need.
Come on.
Go.
Hey,
Unless...
We won't use the dogs on them. We'll see whether you got the voice right. Whether we'll leave it in their will. Yeah. Jay can have the farm.
Jay can have the chainsaw.
Ko Maihi te kuini o te ngahere, nā ka whakāturia ngā wāhi pai ki te kohi mā tai hoki.
Is the right tide?
Yeah. It's about low tide now, so the sooner you get out there,
The better.
before it starts coming in.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get some teal, oysters, and maybe kako.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got to get them out at any point. Yeah.
Hi.
Go and have a look anyway.
Yeah, choice. That's us then. You lead us off, eh? Yeah.
The last time I went dredging around in mud, I was probably a 11-year-old kid, so it's been quite a while.
Mō Ramon rānei, ka mau te ito ki ngā hū o te kāinga.
We all need to be booted up.
Okay.
Hey, yeah. You're so cute, look at you. You're like, I don't want to give your gumboots back at all.
Kei te āwhina a Jay I tōna whānau ki te nuku I ngā kau I te pāmu.
Come on, go out,
Hioi,
Jay. Go
he
out.
kau whatiwhati tai kē tēnei.
It's coming over, Jay. Get him, Jay.
He momo rereke tēnei I ngā pūru taitama e kaha arumia ana e Jay I te taone.
Go back, Jay. Go back.
Ka huri tuara ke atu. He ori te nuku kau ki te tākoro whai kingi. Kua kore rawa te ihu e puta ki te kore te kuini.
Come on.
Come up, Jay. Come up, Jay.
Come on. It'll charge me. It'll charge me.
Kua kore rawa tēnei nā e piko. Nā reira, ka patia e anko.
Hey. Come on. Te ka tuki mai a hau, ia. Huri rapa mai ana.
Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Kei te puta te ihu I te patinga o Uncle Henry.
Come on. Go. Hey. Hey. Hey, yeah.
Pēhā rawa ngā whakaroa Uncle mō ngā mahi pāmu a Jay.
Tēnā pēr. A te wā. Mena hi ai ana I e te hoki mai ki te mahi pāmu ai. Te koutou pēr, rua te koutou. Ki ako hia ki ngā huatanga o te mahi pāmu.
Oh, where? Oh, where? Come on.
Kora koe whiwhi pāmu e hoa.
Oh, there it is.
I'm trying, okay? There we go, there we go. Nah,
Nā, ka pai,
ka pai.
ka pai.
Me whakapakaria ke pēa ngā mahi pāmu a Jay. Engari, he koa no te whānau, kua hoki ia.
E pai te kite atu I a Jay, nā me rātou mā o ngā uri o tuku whae me tuku matua. Ai, hoki mai. Hoki mai ki te kāinga no konei koe. Kaua mataku te hoki mai. E tahi o tātou e haere atu ana, ngaro atu ana. Ono ka kite ano, e hoki mai ana I rota te pauaka. Nā, ko kore te tangata mōhio ko wei. Ko wei tēnā e takoto mai rā. Nā, hoki mai. Hoki mai. Ki te ukai pō. Hoki mai ki te ahika.
E whai ake nei, e tau pai ana Maihi ki konei.
These are oysters. Yeah, those little things in there.
Ara, kei raroa Ramon, e pūtu ana.
Whoa!
Kāre tawhiti nei a Maihi rawa ko Ramon, e kohi mā tai ana o te kai o te pō.
What does that mean?
We're just kohi tio, so we're collecting oysters from a little culvert, which is more accessible at this time because the tides are quite high. So it's better that we come in here, don't get too bogged, And as you can see, I've brought the wahine.
E kite ana, he tau hou a Ramon ki tēnei mahi.
Oh, Maihi, what?
Oh, so these are teal. These are oysters.
Yeah.
Those little things in there. And we're just...
Like that? Is that norms?
That's norms, but we need to check if they're fat or not. We don't want to take skinny ones.
Engari he tere nōna ki te ako. He kai kā hoki ki te ngote i ngā rawa, tā pia pia katoa.
Oh, God.
I look like I know exactly what I'm doing.
No, I can't.
I can't feel.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Right. Hiya.
Oh, you cut yourself. Battle scars. What's o toto ki te wai?
Atu i ngā rapa koi o ngā tio, he paka ngā no tō rātau, ngā wahapa pā, ngā parata.
Hurry up! Kaua koko tērā! Kau, ai, tērā! Kau, tērā atu!
Engari ke te kōtiti haerenga whakaroa Maihi rawa ko Ramon.
Go back a long one? Yeah. You know, the kind that we're accustomed. Oh, my God, I'm going to wash this bitch and get it in there.
Oh!
Okay. Good?
Yep.
Tau pai a Maihi ki roto i āna ka maputu, me āna reke roa. Engari mo Ramon, I nā te wero nui ko tēnei. Engari, he nui ngā koranga mana.
They're small, like I'm no expert, but I do love my oysters. They were small, tasted really salty, but really yummy, really tasty. That was my first time.
I know
What is happening?
What is happening?
What is happening?
Enjoy it?
Yeah, it was fun.
It's different from buying it from the shop, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't have to pay no money.
I really loved it. I'd love to do that again.
Yeah. And see, that's why people from home don't need the shop.
Yeah.
The shop's there.
It's all here.
And it's for free.
Nā wai rā, ka toro atu a Ramon rawa ko Jay ki te kite atu i a Roscoe ki te pāmu o Waireia. Ka au atu ngā onewa o te taone, ka mauake ngā tarapu. Kei te āwhina a Jay rawa ko Ramon ki te whakaimi ngā hoiho. He momorereke e tēnei mā rāua. Kei te arataki rāua e te kaupoi nei a Roscoe, nā reira me Māori tau. Te ingari me hopu ki ngā tuatahi e hoama.
It's so crazy, I'm like freaking out. We haven't even done anything.
Kua roa o Ramon, ka are ke hoiho nei. No te wai te kaumā tahi tau te pakike. He mataku nōna i te rā nei.
Always. Yeah. But I don't want him to know that. Hey, wanna go for a walk? Come on. Come on.
Who's more confident out of you two?
Probably me.
Well, I'll suggest you ride this one. Mine can ride this one. Okay.
Ramon's going to ride this one because a lot quieter. It's ridden all the time, but then this one here is quite a confident horse. So I put in me, the sort of confident. Might get a good show.
Ko Roscoe te rangatiro te pāmu, te hāpori hoki. Nā reira e hia kēnei ngā tāngata wereweri ana ki ngā hoiho, kua kitea e ia. Ai, pēnei ia Ramon.
So when you're riding downhill, just put your feet forward and lean back a little bit. Because if you're riding downhill and if you put your feet back, you sort of lean forward.
Yeah. You're going to take care of me. We're going to take care of each other. I fell off the horse, FYI. Yeah, it kind of decided to gallop on me and I was like, plonk.
I ngā wari noiho mā Jay te ke hoiho.
Ko te mahi tuatahi haere I hoki mai koe ki te kāinga. Ko tētahi mahi tino rongonui, tino maumahara ki te eke hoiho. Nō reira, koena te aha I haere a Ramon rawa ko Jay ki te eke hoiho. Nā te mea ko te hoiho te waka tuatahi o te kāinga.
Kei te mau haere wā tātou kaupoai, kaukuini, ki te whakaimi hoiho.
Whoa.
Ai, ka ngā wari noiho.
Whoa.
Yeah, what you do, just put your feet forward and pull back. Yeah.
Whoa.
Wai mari e ki te mohi o kē ngā kau ki te huarahi tōtika, nā te mea he kaupapa anō tō te hoiho a Ramon.
Champ just wants to eat every step of the way, which is much like me. So I think we're a match made in heaven.
How's it going, guys?
Fabulous. We're just rounding up some cattle.
Oh, it's totally out of my comfort zone. All I kept thinking in my head was like I'm so serious. It's so crazy because I'm just so focused that I'm not going to fall off and I don't want him to freak out on me. So it's completely out of my comfort zone.
Very much a city boy. I think doing this, though, for me is quite... I use that word refreshing. It's kind of like I feel like I can easily be a country boy, but yet I would love to own a horse. I would love to do certain things, but then yet I'm very much a city-orientated around Facebook and all that crap.
He maha ngā kau o te pāmu, he whānui hoki te hora o te whenua. Ko te paenga ia, ka humai o nā hua i ngā ringa pā o te kāinga. Aha kua kāreno kia mau I a rātou te whakaimi I ngā hoiho.
He's used to kids riding him, so he'll get away with what he can.
Anybody who knows me would know that this is completely not my cup of tea. But, you know, I committed to it. I knew that we were doing some adventure stuff back home, so this is one of them. And the whole entire journey, even though I was kind of freaking out, I was going, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. So I'm really proud of myself for getting all the way up the maunga.
Kua pōkai te taumata, kāri turaki ki raro hoki. He nui hoki ngā akoranga mo tō rāua tuakiri.
I hadn't ridden a horse in a very long time, so I was obviously and naturally apprehensive. But, you know, one of the things that was really important to me and to all of us was that we reconnected to the land and that we went a bit further than what we would normally do if we were coming home. And that was, you know, making sure that we helped out on the farm where we could, that we tried to ride a horse, in my case, try being the operative word.
So being back home in Panguru, I feel like I can reconnect, you know, to the land up here. And as you can see, it's actually such a beautiful landscape. So taking your time to just observe what's around. I want to go for a long gallop. I think I'll feel free after that. It's a good buck and a...
E whai ake nei, ka huraina te kōrero toropuku o te whānau o Ramon.
So he didn't know himself?
He didn't know himself.
What?
Kua taha atu te eke hoiho, nā ka kotahi atu a Ramon ki te kōrero atu ki tōna whaia kēke, he whakatau I te Māori.
Nice to see you, Auntie. My dad, he comes from a very large whānau, and when he was a kid, he was whāngaid out. When he was a baby, sorry, he was whāngaid out. So he was brought up by my grandfather, Jerry's brother.
It's sad that you didn't know till later on in life that where Dad's roots originated from, but he had a reason for that. He was really deeply hurt when he found out that his real parents were my mum and dad. And
what do you mean? So he didn't know himself?
He didn't know himself.
What?
He was deeply hurt when he found out.
Once he found out that he had been whāngaid out, he thought that, you know, like anybody, I suppose, you're not wanted.
Along came Uncle Nalby and Auntie Mari. They were only supposed to take him until Mum got better.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But 5 months down the track, when she was able to leave hospital, she went to Paito to pick up her baby. By then, a bond had built, you know, had been formed. So he had a lot of reason to believe he was given away, but he wasn't. He wasn't given away.
Oh, I didn't know that.
He'll tell you that one day.
Yeah.
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 But you come from good stock, girl.
Don't I know it? Don't I know it?
Nā, kei miti a Maihi rawa ko mokoera e kohi wāhi e ana mo te ahi a te pō. He hoa a mokoera no ngā kuini, a kua puka mai ki te whātoro atu o ngā ringa tautoko. O, ke te kohi I ngā rākau, ki te whakarite I tētahi ahi.
So we need some like kingling nekas.
Kai a papatu anuku ke ngā pūtahu ahi ki konei.
Pai ana tēnei ne,
Kāre kia whakamahi ai tērā, engari.
Taku mōhio, ai. I think dry cow shit. Yeah, ai. Dry cow kaka is good. Well, wana te whakaaro. Te kōrero o kumātua tīpuna. Next minute! Pai te hau.
Ka hoki mai a te pō nei, ka tahu I te ahi.
Bit of cow shit.
Ka rere ngā kōrero, ngā whawhewhawhe. Te wapata nei, ka kane hoki o tātou kuini. Ka waiata rānei, ka haka rānei.
Ai.
Te wapata nei, ka mautonu ngā kākahu, ka kore wherahia, e kore tangohia. Ai, koina. Wai hoki konei?
Yeah. Yeah, te whue. Ko te maunga rangatira o tēnei rohe, o tēnei wāhi, ko tarakeha. Tarakeha. Kei tērā taha. Ai, kei tērā taha. Done the bonfire for the shindig tonight. So, yeah, I think that's us, eh? That's us, why not? Ai, that's me haere.
Ka taka mai ana te awatea, ka ita te ranga o Ramon, rawa ko tōna whāia.
People always go to me, is Ramon your real name, or were you named like Paul or something? I was like, hell no, Ramon's my name. I do have them on a bit. I go, no, I was named Brian. Oh my God, you got it changed to Ramon? I go, yeah. It makes so much sense, doesn't it? I mean, it's not like, you know, a Stephanie or something really pretty.
Ramon's beautiful.
I like Ramon. Yeah, I don't have a problem with it.
Since you've been home this time, I've found that you're more settled in being here. You're more accepting.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Totally that's how I feel. Because I feel, yeah, I do feel more secure and happier. And I think also too, my connection with you and Uncle Josie have strengthened. You know, especially Uncle Josie. Oh gosh. Couldn't get enough of me last night, Uncle Josie. It's like, baby, where? I was like, I'm just over here. I go over that table, baby, where? I'm just over here, Uncle. I was like, oh, look at him, cutie. You know, and I feel like I belong more.
I'll bet.
Whereas I feel like I probably didn't before. And of course, in the last 10 years, the revelation of Dad and just figuring out all these people, not knowing. But this time around, you know, we're on an adventure. So literally we're meeting more and more of our cousins and aunties and uncles. Maihi's brilliant. I mean, Maihi's just such a wealth of knowledge. He's the kid that grew up here that's been always connected.
Love you. Thank you for sharing that with me.
Should we go and get ready? Let's hit it.
Kua taka mai te pō, ara kua mārama mai ngā whetū o te rangi. Engari, kai mate wēnei whetū o te whenua.
Thank you so much for coming for our little bonfire. I'm sure this is one of the campest bonfires anyone's been to in this rohe.
Ka ora te iwi nei I te ngarota ngātu o te ngau, a ngā wairoa. Nā reira, ka tāororo te wāhi nei ki te waiata.
Tēnā koe pē. Wakari au e tū, nā te mea, ia, kei wharau e nei mea o kuraiti, o kurama, no reire e noho au. Kua au te kuini o te pō nei.
Kai te rua o ngā haora I te ata, kei te hongi urunga te hāpori. Engari, kai te haora o kei road ke ngā kuini, e whakawhiti whakaaro ana.
We're going to learn so much from our people, and we're going to leave them with little pukenga, little skills that we have inside ourselves, and leave it here with the whānau. So, yeah, I think it's going to be, yeah. And awakens your taha Māori, of course, and, well, your place of being, you know, knowing that sound, that whakatauki, that melody, that that
retained.
reo, that mita, all is yours. Because no tēnā, it belongs to all of us. There are a lot of takatapui from Panguru. The thing is, it's not an issue. It's not a negative thing. That maybe it's portrayed to being, but it's more so that we're not just any taka, we're succeeding taka, we're takatapui that are achieving things. Not to blow our own whistles, but yeah, we're not just takatapui who
takas and just takas, and that's what you know.
That's it, it's hoinanoa, yeah. Before we're takatapui, we're uri no konei, we're Ngāti Manoa. Before our sexuality, we're Māori, te tuatahi, and we come from Panguru. That's it. What we do in our beds and what label we stick on ourselves is because of Pākehā. So, yeah.
E whai ake nei, ka aru poaka ngā kuini. E pati te mahi a Ramon ki wōna whaia.
Wait a minute, your eyebrows up here.
Kai ka pahi mai te whānau ki te hākari.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.